Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap El Cajon local and long distance movers near me. From coast to coast, our moving company will assist you in every step of your move. If you're worried about your belongings getting damaged along the way, we are here to assure you they'll be safe with our protective packaging and expert packing techniques. Leave moving day up to us so you can get through everything else you need to take care of. A local move doesn't sound so bad since getting to your new home or office is no biggie. But have you thought about all of the boxes you'll still have to pack, and have you figured out how on earth you're going to lift your ridiculously heavy couch? Our movers have an expertise in same-day local moves. After a few hours, you'll be packed and set up in your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our El Cajon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.